Hell yeah. See, I told Adrian this is it.
Yeah, bitch. And I'ma let Screw do what he gotta do. So he keep y'all crunk out there, know what I'm saying? So y'all need to go and pull over.
Centurion edition. What's the name about the single cab, Ruben? The F-350 show today.
Gotta hit on the beat, yeah. Say, Jake, what's up? Shit, all these old crime code, know what I'm talking about? Hit me on my crime code. Man, she hears screw scratching like that. She wanna suck screw balls. 281 506.
Okay, progress.
Brought the frame on.
Who brought the frame?
It's in the frame. Need it on?
I don't know. I mean, I think that's why you have them.
What I have to do, I'm gonna resell it.
You're gonna be a scalper,
Yeah.
a wristband scalper.
Yeah.
Dumb as hell. Nice.
Check. What is it, man? I like the little wagon.
What you think, Ruben?
Oh, it's crazy. It's badass.
What you want to see today?
This one right here.
This one.
This guy.
See what he wants to see. It's a 350 SS.
But this brakes all the way around.
Damn, it does. It's the nice Willwood brakes on that home. I like it. I like it. Big, nice calipers.
That's just a cover, huh?
Which one?
The caliper cover?
No, that's a real caliper.
No, that's a caliper.
No, it's real, way.
Oh, it's real?
Yeah.
That big?
Back in the day, like in those Nissan days, it used to be a cover, like a plastic cover.
Yeah.
No, that's real. You can see the big drum. Not even a drum, but a disc. Slotted and drilled.
454.
I told you. Remember, did you wear your boots today?
Oh, hell no.
What kind of shoes did you wear today?
The whitest shoes I could find.
Did you plan ahead? Did you see videos before coming?
No, I didn't.
You did? Yeah, you did. You see the
This
video?
is my first time here in All-Star. Look at this now.
It is your first time. This is the first time.
For other reasons, I would never have been here.
You gotta wear the boots, man. Look at that.
Oh, come on, what you at?
Oh no. Come on, let's go look. See, you want to go see that truck? Let's go check it out. What's the thing about the dualies? Do you know anything about a camper special?
What's that?
Camper special was when you would travel. You know how people now travel with the travel trailers? So these things would come with a camper. Campers that even have restrooms, dishwashers, sinks, beds, microwaves, everything. So when you buy the truck, they just sold the truck, and they also sold the truck as a camper special. You ever seen those campers that hang over the bottom and go over the roof?
Oh, yeah.
It's called
big ass fucking.
that's called a camper special.
So this used to be the throwback RVs.
Yes. Before, if you don't want to have an RV, you could have a pickup truck to tow and also a bed to sleep. The camper special. Single cab. Yeah, that truck is pimp. I like it.
I like the way you put the buffers inside.
I think it's pimp.
See when they load them up.
Oh, you gonna
all
see.
these cars turn on and load them up.
You gonna see when they load them up today.
Yeah, we need to find out what time they're leaving.
It's clean, huh?
big ass deep dish. Baby cradle.
Baby cradle, that's where you can put the baby at?
Make it like a where the baby sits still and the tires are still moving.
Hell yeah. Should be.
De la Obi.
This thing's clean. This one looks like back in the day. The frame and chassis. Them old school intro wheels.
I need it back. I need it back in my life.
Oh shit, what you gonna get? What you plan on getting?
See, our dumbasses didn't realize what we had back in the days. But now, remember those days? No, I knew what I had, but I crashed that hoe.
What did you have, Ruben?
I had a 96 Cheyenne, step side Nalgona, you know what I mean? Sitting just right with burned leaf springs. That's how we do it back in the days, to drop the truck in the back to level it out. We burn the leaf springs.
You didn't have a flip kit?
No, I didn't flip kit.
You didn't know about that?
I didn't know about that.
But it was still swinging.
Just like,
Going down the boulevard.
yeah. A little V6 acting like a little V8. You know what I mean?
Do you have a Flowmaster on it?
Flowmaster, every headers, a V6 with headers and everything.
MSD ignition
MSD.
box?
MSD ignition box on V6. Had people scared in the hood.
So what you gonna predict? What kind of car you gonna want? Or what truck you trying to look for then?
Something like this one right here.
La Chevy?
Check this out one right here.
La Cheyenne?
Like a 96 right here. Well, it ain't like a 96. It is a 96.
How you know it's a 96? How you know it's a 96? What makes you tell it's a 96?
The dashboard. That's the dashboard 95, 96. It could be either one, 95, 96. 97, it changes, dashboard changes.
Nice.
The truck's been the same since fucking 88.
Yeah?
It's the outside. The only thing that changes is the inside. Everything else has been the same. The grills are probably a little different, but you all change it. Everything's changeable on the outside. The inside is where it stays different. Slide to the ground.
Things are clean. You gotta take your time and look at them. This one right here.
It's a fucking 2021 right here.
I didn't,
2021.
what if it's a 2020?
It's a 2021. But
Or probably a 20. You could go up to 2022.
motherfuckers, ain't nobody got it dropped to the ground like this right now.
Nah, ain't nobody got that shit
Nobody got it
dropped. No,
to the ground.
that's why they're here. It's big flex. Ain't nobody
Yeah.
dropping that shit.
Nobody's dropping this shit.
People are, yeah,
They're still going up. They're going up with it. These motherfuckers still dropping shit.
yeah. People are dropping. He took it back. He took it back to the 99, the 92 days.
All the way to the ground. We ain't skipping an inch on these motherfuckers. All the way to the ground.
It's a Duramax with the 4Gs. 4Gs painted black just like the truck. It's a light flex. Just let you know what he got. You know what I'm saying? I think it's pretty pimp. I like it a lot. Truck what? 120? 125? This truck is way over custom. Bumper,
Too
no
expensive right
steps. Yeah, it's over. From Oklahoma. Got Oklahoma plates. Damn, and he's towing with this damn thing. He got the gooseneck trailer on this thing.
If he's not, he's stunning. But look at the trailer. He's towing something.
Yeah, somebody's getting towed.
That truck is getting towed.
Somebody's towing something. Somebody's towing something. Truck is nice. To see one of these this year, I think it is hard to find. I don't think you could catch one. Got the diesel in it, Duramax?
Blacked out everything though. Black on black.
Yeah, it's clean.
Why does this truck look familiar?
Shit, I don't know. Looks like a Hot Wheel. This one's clean too.
Look at the interior, dog. The interior's sick inside. That color. Woo.
My Chevy. Chevy with the steering wheel. I think these boys are doing it. You gotta understand how they get these brand new trucks and put them on like that. That thing's crazy nice. Don't miss the sunroof, Ruben.
Uh-huh. You know? Damn.
Clean. Fat Fabs. That's what they're called. Must be a tight crew. We got another one over here slammed down all red. I like red.
You like red?
I'm red. Red. Red turn heads.
What do you say? We don't gang bang, so we ride red too.
Yeah, we don't gang bang, we ride red too. Reds turn heads. South side, gotta ride red. Everything's pimp.
Oh, I like how you did that. Look,
Oklahoma.
Look. Bring it back. Bring it back.
What they did? La HD?
I never seen
La HD light?
HD like.
Oklahoma?
But
Guess?
they are touring with these trucks.
Yeah. And when they do stuff like that, I always want to know if it's stronger. Is the chassis stronger when they do it like that? It's building like an A-frame on it.
Yeah.
Building all that stuff on it.
So there you go.
What you think about the new front ends?
Oh man, it's beautiful.
You like them?
I like them.
I like them too. They're fair. Chevy's fair, but it doesn't beat the GMC. GMC's off the chain. I like the red though. The red's nice.
The high country single cab.
Yeah? Hope not. There's something about the white Denali, it just always reminds me of like Christmas.
Yeah.
Christmas time. Like the front end is amazing. Check out the wheels. That's a panoramic. It's a panoramic. The wheels. Should these wheels be called the new blades? They almost look like blades.
See, why can that big ass truck ride white and I can't?
Shit, he's riding white. He ain't getting dirty. What you think about the Bentley? And he's selling it. Ruben,
Think so?
for sale. For about 40. Everybody looking at trucks, and I'm looking at the Bentley. This is probably like an 05. Only reason I know about an 05 because of the headlights. I think like in 2008 they changed to the LED lights. I've been looking at Bentleys for a while already, but I want a coupe, dark green, hunter green. I think it was 45 for this one, but this is a Bentley. It's clean. The Bentley GT. I think these do come twin turbo from the dealer as well. Twin turbo back in the day, 2004, 2005, way back. These cars are coming V12 twin turbo standard from Bentley. Doesn't have the year, but he wants 45 or trade. It's pimp. I like it. The Yukon sitting sideways. God damn. What you know about these chassis, Ruben? Got like 3 batteries back there. These things are ridiculous. These things are huge.
Oh, they got more than 3 batteries, cuz.
How many batteries they got in there?
It's an electric vehicle.
Is it?
Is it upside down? Too?
Oh.
I don't know what they're pushing with those batteries.
Very nice, very nice.
I'm all lined out.
You know when I was little, I remember my
They got
dad.
airbag, though.
My dad would come over and see Bigfoot trucks, and he'll look under them. I don't know what the hell he was looking for. They got the Lightning McQueen Ka-Chow.
Right next to it.
Tomater. I always thought Lightning McQueen was a Dodge Charger. For real, two-door Dodge Charger. I always thought he was. I never seen him as a Camaro.
Camaro, no?
I don't think so. I think Lightning McQueen's a Charger. He looked like a Charger. He never looked like a Camaro. This one's a Camaro, but I think he's a Charger. I think he is. Then the Tomater. The real Tomater, right?
Yeah.
This one has to be it. Paint's on point. The teeth, the eyes. It's nice. What's he got in there? LS. Nah, 350 old school. Pretty nice.
350?
Yeah, it's old school 350. Got some nice little old headers in there. Pretty pimp. Very nice. I think they're coming back. Remember the trucking magazines?
Yeah, the trucking magazines. They were all the trucking magazines.
You think they'll come back? Well, they're here. They look like they never left, but these trucks are clean. Clean as hell. What you looking for, Ruben?
Chevy shirt.
They got enough. Hello. Good. Good.
Yeah.
I think today's the best day. Today's gonna be the best day. That's it. It's all we got. One day. Where we going now, Ruben?
I guess we're going warehouse over here. I don't know what this is. What do you call it? Oh, look at those trucks.
Oh, them things are clean. Somebody brought the Ford in here. Let's go check out what's under the carport.
Man, you got this good in the back.
Oh, he got a little rider.
You wanna wash your shoes?
I told this guy to bring boots. I think I seen him when I was little at the flea market, way back in the day. These trucks are clean. Yeah, it's a 79. You got the Chevy and the Ford. These things are clean, huh? That's the most cool baby ones. Denali. Think about the Denali, dog. Say what?
Crab call. Swing side to side like crab.
The Denali. What do you think about this one?
Dude, crazy.
What'd you say, Ruben?
So imagine pulling up to this truck to the refinery with your rig on the back. Crab crawling like a forklift. Ah, damn.
They're gonna fire you the first day,
We're
dog.
gonna fire you.
You gonna pull up with your machine in the back, crab crawling?
Man, you make too much money for us. You go find a. You go get your own job somewhere. Oh, crab crawling like a forklift. At
So
the
when
south
you
side.
when you have to parallel park between the cones, you're gonna crab crawl through
Yeah,
there.
crab crawl to that motherfucker, and then You got your welding rig back there and shit. They want you in the muddiest places they can find out there.
Yeah, they're gonna be pissed.
You're gonna be out there in the middle of nowhere working.
And you're gonna be clean every day.
Every day clean.
Every day you can pull up clean.
Look at this shit.
They don't even want you to eat lunch in that motherfucker.
Imagine you throw a water machine back there, motherfucker, working off this truck right here.
I think it'll be off the chain. I think it'll be nice.
All your equipment, well, and then you get a trailer hitch right here to go over all that, and then you still got your camper on the back, and everything. Shit. And then,
You can have the camper and the machine in the back.
Trailer, yeah. Imagine your trailer over the machine and everything, over the cab.
Yeah, that'd be nice. I guess. This thing's huge. So they have the huge tanks on the back? You know there's a 5500. And it's not no regular Laramie, it's a limited. That thing's pimp. Remember what you got your jacket on for? There's a big old fireplace.
Big old fireplace over there. No wonder it's warm in here.
Stays warm. Is it warm in there? He said, I wish. Think about these Denali's. Color's coming out, huh?
Yeah, it's color.
The burgundy. Oh, this thing's clean. The front end, see that's what on the grills. It's clean, right? Got a lot of lights, huh?
I don't like it. Just for this fucking light. See how many batteries I gotta add just to work all these lights? Muffler.
You got stars on the roof. That's what I'm talking about. Someone jamming flip.
Yeah.
Someone's jamming a little flip.
Big body bourbon. Who's jamming flip?
Somebody. Just think about the Chevy's, dog. This is the one you should not be skipping, Ruben. Look at this one. It's an extended cab. Extended cab, probably about 85. These things are rare. I don't really see them all the time at all. Look at that. Thing's clean. Extended cab dropped. This thing's off the chain. Got a big 10 short bed. Dog bows on it. It's a 98. Yeah. It's 98 because of the dashboard. To find one with the dashboard like that, that's just crazy. It's clean. Oh, you're talking about the cups?
Yeah.
Fog lights.
The rims are not my favorite, but
You don't like them?
I don't like them. But you can't hate on the truck. They're still good though, but the camper on that one.
What was that question you were asking earlier, Ruben?
About the camper special.
Similar, it's like a truck like this that was out there. You were saying about a camper special, right?
You know, this one reminds me of that Gentleman Jack. On that GMC.
Oh yeah.
Same color as the Gentleman Jack, no?
You might find one here. Shit, you gotta look at the interior. No, that's it. That's a long bed.
Huh?
It's a long bed.
That's not a long bed, it's a short bed.
It's a long bed.
This is a long bed?
Yeah.
It don't look that long.
Because you had dually on it. So this truck is called a camper special. So they got a camper special right here.
There's a camper.
Oh yeah, you got to use them. You got them. 3+3. It's like an extended camper. It's a little extension on the bottom of it.
Yeah, 2 beds in there. Only 1 bed, but it's like you can get it like a chair. Like a chair.
Pretty clean, huh? Got a refrigerator. Yeah, got a little refrigerator. Got a sink in there, kitchen, pots and pans. The chop top, drop top, drop top, drop it like it's hot. You want something like that? That thing's clean. Camper special. Pretty Continental Suicide dough. This one's clean. What you think about the dually, Ruben?
Oh, not bad.
I want to see more dualies on the road.
I know you're starting to see more doing it.
Yeah, big old 4 doors. Nice ones.
But plastic.
Yeah. All right, Ruben. So this truck is all built on parts.
All new.
All new. All new parts. Everything. Tailgate, bumper, bed, short bed, frame, chassis, doors. All brand new. Ready for paint. Look, they even work. Yeah, they even offer the buckets on it. Got these. You also got the wider ones. These are pimp. You don't have to go look for a short bed anymore. You just buy one like this. Brand spanking new.
Oh, I like that.
What?
But the event.
Too clean. This thing is clean. Look at that wing on it. Big ass wing. This thing used to be a camper bed where the kids would sleep in the back, but they made it a goddamn subwoofer box. So they took out the guts. The guts would be down there. Now it's a subwoofer box. Marked for Falls Gate. I think it's clean, dog.
That's clean. I like it. I love it. That color fit. Copper, autumn, bronze color.
Is that what they call it?
Autumn, bronze, autumn, copper, bronze, something like that. Something on the high country. And then hits the sun, it looks perfect.
What you think, Ruben?
Oh, amazing.
Clean? Too clean.
Just got on the right there. Got the bacon.
Yeah. Nah, I don't know. Just shit, Ruben. You crazy, dog.
What do you call that?
What does he got? Oh, he got the fucking antenna.
Get closer.
Oh, he's coming out this way. This bitch is bad. Hell yeah. See, I told Adrian this is it. Oh, hell yeah. Think about this one, Ruben.
Oh, that's a Chevy C10. 4-door. Like an 80.
I thought it said Zenith in the back.
84? 84 dually?
Shut your ass up.
Look, what are you checking?
Let's go look at that single cab dually. What's the name about the single cab, Ruben?
We can haul one. Are you trying to go single cab or not? Are you gonna keep that for single?
Now we're going single cab.
Well, I would like to.
The F-350 show today. Clean, clean, clean. This thing is clean. Centurion edition. What happened?
They're all here.
Everybody showed up to the party?
Yeah, they're all dually.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking. Check them all out. Let's go down the line right here. You gotta get the buff last too.
I got him. Yeah. The first time I seen one of these was on the show Cops. Yeah. They had a Cadillac front end on a Chevy truck.
97?
Yeah, 97.
Yeah, 98.
This thing's clean.
98, and he has open. 97 or 97 came open.
It's a 98, fool.
98, right?
Yeah.
Gator seat.
Yep. What you got, Ruben?
Hey, we're out here at Lone Star. We didn't do a lot of walking already. We've been here since 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock in the morning.
8 o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock. And this is the last round.
Yeah, last round. It's gonna be the last round, dog.
Right here.
That's it. One more round. That's it. We out.
Only done one round.
Oh.
We're going for a second round.
No, but it's big. It's
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 big.
the biggest truck show.
One round so far.
So this time, let's make it count.
Huh?
Let's make it count this time.
Oh yeah.
You ready?
Second round. Another 4 hours.
Oh shit. Let's ride.